So you want to get what you want or where you want to be faster? Yes, there is a way to it. So if you want to find happiness or inner peace, maybe it's money you want or abundance, better sleep, better relationships, harmony. If you saw my other video about the 30-minute meditation, you know already one way. And yes, there is a faster way, which I will tell and teach you in this video. Hi, I'm Sandra from the Academy of Making Sense, and I've been teaching meditation and Feng Shui for the last over 2 decades. So what is the fast track? You want to know, right? So here's the thing. You need to meditate every day, 10 to 15 minutes minimum. So how do I find the time? You may ask me, hey, Sandra, let me know. I know I'm busy. I can't do it. Well, you build a habit out of it. So do you pick up your kids from school? Well, drive there 15 minutes earlier. You even will get the better parking and you sit already upright in a perfect meditation position. How long is your commute? And what do you pass from there? Do you pass a beach, a forest, a park? So stop for 10 to 15 minutes and meditate in your car. Again, you're sitting upright, perfect meditation position. Or you get out of the car, walking meditation on the beach, in the forest, in the park. And then make sure that you consciously enjoy every step you take. Every breath. Noticing every sound. Or maybe you just want to stare at waves, at trees, at birds, whatever is present in the very moment, because that is mindfulness. Or even if you don't really know what you want, this is the way. You need to first get clarity in your head, and then you can take actions accordingly. So how about you get started now? Sit down, relax, and meditate with me. Let me guide you into clarity, calmness, and harmony. Let's get started. You see, in life as well in Feng Shui, clarity, having clarity is paramount. So finding out what you don't want might be the first step. Finding your meditation posture while I'm making my little spiel here. And I mean consciously finding that out, which is so much easier if you cleared some thoughts out and start feeling the silence. And then you might start getting an idea about what you really, really want. Clarity, harmony, abundance, better sleep, better relationships, money. So slowly become aware of the ground underneath you. Wherever you are resting on, the floor, the sofa, a chair, your bed. Feel the ground underneath you. If you have your feet flat on the ground, feel your feet on the floor. If you are sitting cross-legged, feel the bottom of your spine resting and connecting to Mother Earth. Feel how the ground is holding you, either directly or through the chair or sofa beneath you. Feel how it is holding you, how it is nourishing you. Become aware of just that. Let your body weight just rest on the ground. Let all of your weight just rest here. And feel the imprint you are making here and now. And as we step away from the day that we had so far, leave everything that happened before outside this room. And also all that may or may not happen afterwards, leave it outside. We don't even know if it will happen. So leave it outside this room. During our time in meditation, there is no memory of the past, no concerns about the future, and no responsibility. It's just you and your breath. So slowly become aware of your breathing, entering and leaving your body at your nostrils. Just feel it. Feel it in and around your nostrils. Become aware of the rhythm of your breath, breathing in and breathing out, like the waves on the shore. Become aware of this rhythm, which actually is the rhythm of your life. And if a thought comes up or any other distraction, just become aware of it and let it go. Just like clouds in the sky. And bring your attention back to the gentle sensation of your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. How does the rhythm feel to you? Right here, right now. There is no right or wrong, so don't judge. There just is. Your breath is right, exactly as it is. No need to change it or control it. Just let it be as it is and observe it. Feel it just as it is. And if you feel your mind wandering or being distracted by thoughts, sounds, or emotions, just become aware of it and bring your awareness back to the gentle sensation of your breath. This breath right now, how does this one feel? Breathing in, breathing out. As you're feeling your breath, enjoy your own presence in the here and now, fully aware of whatever is with you in the flow. Maybe some answers, maybe just relaxation and calmness. So enjoy the silence and clarity for the next few minutes. So bring your awareness back to your breathing, just as it is. Breathing in and breathing out. And as I said before, make this a habit. Build it into your routine, wherever you can implement a 15-minute routine. Shouldn't be too hard, right? This could become a morning meditation to set you up for the day, or one for the evening to help you wind down. Both times it will give you calmness and clarity by just slowing down your life and your thoughts. So this is your time. This is your space. And space doesn't just show up. You create it. So how about you repeat this now at a daily basis? You will notice the effects so soon you will be amazed. Get clarity about what you want and how to get it, starting now. So slowly become aware of your body in this room. Become aware of where your feet are placed and where your hands are placed. And start inviting life back into your body by moving your toes and your feet, your fingers and your hands. Inviting a deeper breath into your body. And whenever you feel like it, gently open your eyes. So let me know in the chat what you thought of it. How do you feel about it? And also let me know what your greatest challenges are at the moment with meditation, with Feng Shui, with your life. Let me know. I would really love to hear from you. So, and if you liked what we did here, maybe you like this video too. I never know where they are. I hope you have an amazing day, completely refreshed. And I hope to see you again. Oh, you can subscribe if you want. Okay, bye.